Silky.
Ok.
Silky, light hair. The refinement. Guys, let me say something. I don't think this is working.
Again, camera recording.
No, it's not this. It's just because it's my product. It's my hair. Can we try again like this way? Can we just roll camera again?
Okay, speed.
Guys, get ready! Cadiveu and I were a peer match because we created a line that I always wanted. Vegan! With recycled packaging and full of natural ingredients. And the best of all, I've never seen anything that made my hair so shiny, so strong, and super soft. You restore 80% of it in the first application. It doesn't even look like the hair has been damaged. And I change my hair all the time, as you know, so come with me. Vegan Repair is awesome. Let's go. Let me know what you think later. These projects are so mine that I stand behind them. So now come with me and tell me what you think. Let's go. So how about now? What do you guys think?
It's perfect.